Hello everyone, this is Skookumus Frig. So today I just got my Jetson Nano from Nvidia. I believe this is the second shipment batch, and this is April of 2019. And some folks on YouTube have already gotten it in March. Anyways, what this is a basically a small development board that is very powerful. It has a quad-core ARM 857 at 1.43 gigahertz. I'm just reading off a datasheet here. But what's the most important is that it has a 128 core Maxwell GPU on it, um, along with a whole bunch of like other integrated stuff. And you could run, all the modern operating systems on it, along with, I believe Nvidia markets this as a AI slash machine learning development board platform, and it's only $99. So let's see what's inside this box. So the price point is $99, but after tax and also domestic U.S. shipping, it comes out to I think about 110 U.S. dollars, which is still very affordable for what this board has. You know, like in comparison, you compare this to like a FPGA development board. Um, those of similar compute powers, those are on the order of a couple hundred to couple $1,000. Um, but those are kind of two different beasts. This is not a reconfigurable computer. You can just write code that can be parallelized and solve much faster on the GPU. Let's see what's inside. Oh, nice. So we get this little stand that we can put the board on. Huh, interesting. I guess we just put the board on there. Fold this down. Nice. So we'll put that on one side. It's probably a some kind of ESD, maybe not ESD, but some kind of stand for it. Got the starting guide, and now the board itself. Ooh, it's quite heavy. Wow, this is a very good looking board. Looks like it's got some kind of daughter card array on it. This is probably where the silicon is housed because it has the big heatsink on it. And let's take a look at connectivity. So it has power, HDMI. This is DisplayPort, 4 USB. Those look like 3.0s, and a Ethernet jack, and also I think that's a micro USB. Thank you for watching. I will be getting an SD card and loading on the operating system and playing around with it in a few days. So look forward to more videos on that. Thank you. So upon further reading the manual a little bit, I believe this port might just actually be for power. I'm not sure if this is also a data port. I'll have to connect something to it and see if that is the case. And another interesting thing is that this board is very low power. It draws only 1 to 2 amps max at 5 volts, which puts the board's power between 5 and 10 watts. And I believe the board power envelope is resettable through a software, which is very cool. And so the very last thing I noticed, which is probably indicative of this being a early shipment batch, is take a look at this. Not sure if the camera can pick this up. There are freaking diodes that are on through-hole components. Probably some electrical engineer went through testing, and after the boards were submitted for manufacturing, they were like, "Oh shit, this doesn't pass one of the specifications." This is just kind of a funny thing to me. I mean, look at it. That might even be a hand solder on, might not even be a pick and place. Okay, hope you enjoyed. See you next time.